It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I...
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
Okay, Ben, today is the day. Look at the calendar. It is the first day of spring. And look at this bedroom.
What is wrong with the bedroom? It looks fine to me. The bed is made, mostly.
The room is fine, but that is not fine. The wardrobe, the black hole where clothes go to die.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. I know exactly where everything is. My favorite blue shirt is somewhere in the middle layer.
Ben, last week you bought new socks because you couldn't find any clean ones, but I know you have 30 pairs in there. They're just buried. We have to do this. We have to open the doors.
Do we have to do it today? It is a nice Saturday. We could go for a walk. We could get coffee.
No excuses. Coffee is for closers. We get coffee after the closet is clean. Come on, grab the handle.
Okay, but stand back. Seriously, I take no responsibility for what happens when I open this. It is pressurized in there, like a shaken soda can.
I am stepping back. I am ready.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm pulling the right door. Sound, loud, resistant creak. The hinge is complaining. It feels stuck. I have to yank it.
Pull harder.
Sound, door pops open, followed by soft thuds. Pop, thwomp, thwomp, flop.
Oh my gosh, it's an avalanche, a clothing avalanche.
I told you to stand back. Look at this pile at my feet. 3 sweaters, a scarf I haven't seen in 2 years, and is that a swimsuit?
It is chaos, Ben. Pure chaos. Look inside. The hanger rail is bending in the middle. It looks like a banana. There are too many coats on it.
And the shelves, the stacks of t-shirts are leaning over, like the Tower of Pisa. If I touch one, they will all fall over.
Okay, the first step is the purge. We have to take everything out, every single item. The closet must be completely empty.
Everything? That's going to take hours. Can't we just tidy up the front part?
No half measures. We need a blank slate. Start pulling things out and throwing them on the bed. I'll start with the shoes on the floor.
Okay, goodbye Saturday. I'm grabbing an armful of shirts. Sound, rustle of fabric, clinking hangers. They smell a little bit stale.
Stale. Yes, that is the word. It smells like old air that hasn't moved in a long time. It's dusty, too. Look at the sunbeam coming from the window.
I see it. When I move the clothes, thousands of little dust specks fly into the light. It's like a glitter explosion, but grosser. I think I just inhaled a dust bunny.
Keep going. Don't stop until you see the back wall of the closet. We need to see the wood. Throw that heavy winter coat on the bed. Sound, heavy thud on mattress. Good. We're going to need a bigger bed. Okay, the closet is empty, the bed is covered, the floor is covered. It looks like a clothing bomb exploded in here. Now we need the system.
The system?
Yes, we are not just shoving everything back in. We are making 3 piles. Pile 1, keep. These are things you wear all the time. Pile 2, donate. These are good clothes that don't fit you anymore. We give them to charity. Pile 3, trash. These are broken, stained, or ripped clothes.
Okay, keep, donate, trash. I have a 4th category. Pile 4, maybe, for things I'm not sure about.
No, absolutely not. The maybe pile is a trap. Maybe means I will keep this forever and never wear it. You have to decide right now, yes or no. Be ruthless, Ben.
Okay, I'm picking up the first item. It is my old gray hoodie. I love this hoodie. It is so soft.
Let me see it. Hold it up to the light. Ben, look at the cuffs, the part around your wrists. They are frayed. The threads are coming loose. And look at the elbow. There's a hole.
I know, but that makes it comfortable. It feels like a hug. The cotton is thin and worn out. It's perfect for sleeping.
Okay, I will let you keep one sleeping hoodie, but only one. Put it in the keep pile. Soft thud. Next item.
This green sweater. I haven't worn this in 3 years. My aunt gave it to me for Christmas.
Touch the fabric. What is it made of?
I'm rubbing it between my fingers. It feels rough. It feels synthetic, like plastic wool. Let me put it against my neck. Ouch, it's itchy. It scratches my skin immediately.
If it's itchy, you will never wear it. Does it have any holes?
No, it looks brand new because I never wore it.
Perfect. That goes in the donate pile. Someone else might like itchy sweaters. Maybe someone with tough skin. I'm opening the big white plastic bag for donations. Sound of loud crinkle or snap. Throw it in.
Goodbye, itchy green sweater. Sound of swish, rustle. Okay, next. These jeans. My dark blue denim jeans.
Those look good. Are they the ones with the broken zipper?
Let me check. I'm pulling the zipper up. Zip. No, it works perfectly. It slides up and down smoothly. And the button? Click. The metal button is strong.
Do they still fit? You bought those 5 years ago.
That is a rude question, but let me try to pull the waistband. Stretching. The elastic is still good. They're sturdy jeans. The denim is thick and heavy. I'm putting them in the keep pile.
Good choice. Everyone needs good jeans. What is that at the bottom of the stack, that yellow t-shirt? Oh, Ben, no.
What? It's my lucky yellow shirt.
Ben, look at the front. There's a giant stain. It looks like spaghetti sauce from 2019. It's a dark orange circle right in the middle.
It's hardly noticeable if I wear a jacket over it.
No, it's a rag now. It's not clothing. It's for cleaning the car. I'm opening the black garbage bag. Sound of heavy plastic rattle. This is for the trash. Do it.
But I wore this shirt to that concert. Okay, you're right. It's gross. Into the darkness. Sound of drop.
We're making progress. Look at the donate bag. It's getting full. It looks lumpy. And look at the floor. I can see the rug again.
This is actually kind of satisfying. Making decisions feels good. I feel lighter. Wait, what is this? I found something buried under the socks.
A shoebox? I thought we were only doing clothes.
It was hidden at the back of the shelf. It is covered in a thick layer of gray dust. I'm going to blow it off. Cough. Detailed dust again. This looks like my memory box.
Uh-oh, nostalgia is the enemy of cleaning. Don't open it, Ben. We'll lose focus.
I have to open it. I haven't seen this in years. I'm lifting the lid. Creak. Oh, wow. Anna, look at this.
Okay, you opened it. Pandora's box. We are definitely not finishing the closet today.
Shh. Just for a minute. This is history. Look at the lid of the box. The corners are ripped. The cardboard is soft and fuzzy from age.
It smells, too. Lean in and smell the box. It smells like an old library book or a basement. It smells musty and dry.
What is the first thing you see on top of the pile?
I see a stack of envelopes. They are tied together with rough twine string. The paper is yellow. It used to be white, but time turned it yellow. Who wrote these?
Don't untie them. They might fall apart. Those are letters my grandfather wrote to me when I was in university, before email was popular. Feel the paper, Anna.
I am touching the edge of one envelope. It feels brittle, like a dried autumn leaf. If I bend it quickly, it will snap, crinkle. I hear the paper protesting. I will put it back gently.
What is that shiny thing at the bottom? It looks like a coin.
I am digging through the little trinkets, sea glass, a broken keychain. Got it. It is heavy and cold metal.
Hold it up to the light. It is a 500 yen coin from Japan. Remember that trip? It has the bamboo plant on one side.
It is very shiny. The ridges on the edge are sharp. It makes a nice sound when I drop it back into the box. Clink. It is a solid sound.
Look at this ticket. The ink is almost faded away. It's a pale purple color now. The Rolling Stones, 2012. I can barely read the date. The edges are frayed and soft from being in my pocket.
Nostalgia is powerful. It is hard to throw these things away, even if they are just pieces of paper. They are not clutter. They are memories.
Exactly. This box does not go in the trash, and it doesn't go to donation. Where does it go?
It goes back on the top shelf, but we should label it. I have a black permanent marker.
I am writing on the lid. Sound of marker squeaking on cardboard. Squeak, squeak. Ben's memories. Do not throw away.
Okay, close the lid. Sound, soft thud. The time capsule is sealed again. Put it in the keep pile, right on top of your good jeans.
Excuse me. The dust from that box finally got me. My nose is ticklish.
Okay, break time is over. Look at the floor. The piles are complete. We have the mountain of keep, 2 big bags of donate, and 1 sad little bag of trash.
We did it! The hard part is over. Now we have to put the good stuff back. But we are not just throwing it in.
No way. We are going to organize it, like professionals. I bought new hangers, matching ones.
Oh, fancy. Are they plastic or wood?
They are slim, black velvet hangers. Clothes don't slip off them. Bring me the pile of shirts. It is time to make this closet look like a boutique. Okay, we have the keep pile. And we have the new hangers. Feel one, Ven. I told you they were velvet.
I am running my finger along the black hanger. It feels fuzzy, soft but grippy. It feels like the skin of a peach. Why is this better than the old wire ones?
The old wire hangers stretch the shoulders of your shirts. They leave little bumps. These ones are shaped like human shoulders, and the velvet stops the silk shirts from sliding off. Give me your blue dress shirt.
Here it is. I am shaking it out. Flap. There are a few wrinkles, but they will fall out. I am sliding the hanger into the neck. It goes in smoothly. Now I'm buttoning the top button. Click! That keeps it straight.
Now hang it on the rail. Listen to the sound.
I am hooking the metal hook over the wooden bar. Shink! That is a nice sound. It slides perfectly. It doesn't squeak like the old plastic ones.
Now the next shirt, the white one, and then the gray one. We are going to organize them by color. Dark colors on the left, light colors on the right.
That seems excessive, Anna. Who organizes by color?
People who want peace of mind. Just try it. Hang the gray one next to the blue one. Shink. See? It looks calming. Your eyes can relax.
I suppose you are right. It looks like a gradient, like a sunset but made of cotton. Okay, the hanging section is done. Look at the spacing. There's actually empty space between the shirts. They can breathe.
Now for the shells, the jeans. We need to fold them so they look identical. Watch me. I lay the jeans flat. I fold one leg over the other. Then I fold the bottom up to the waist. Flop, smooth.
You are smoothing the fabric with your hands. It sounds like ironing, but with your palms. Swish, swish. Okay, I will try. Fold, fold, smooth. Hey, my stack looks pretty good. The thick denim makes a nice solid square.
Stack them up. Blue, dark blue, black. Put the stack on the middle shelf. Heavy thud of denim stack. Perfect alignment.
We are almost done. The floor is clear, the bed is clear, the closet looks like a magazine photo. But it still smells a little bit old, like the ghost of the dusty box is still here.
I have one final touch, the secret weapon. Reaching into my pocket, ta-da! Lavender sachets.
What are those? They look like little purple bean bags.
They are small fabric bags filled with dried lavender flowers. Squeeze one gently.
I'm squeezing it. I can feel the dried flower buds crunching inside. Oh wow, the smell is instant. It is floral but sharp. It smells clean and sleepy.
We hang one on the rail, and we put one in the back of the sock drawer. It keeps the moths away, and it makes your clothes smell fresh.
I am hanging it up. There, the purple ribbon looks nice against the black hangers. Okay, step back. Let's look at our work.
Ah, look at that. Order from chaos. It makes my brain feel quiet.
It really does. I thought this would be annoying, but looking at this, I feel ready for the week. I won't have to fight my closet on Monday morning.
Are you ready to close the doors, or do you want to leave them open to admire it?
Let's close them and then open them again just to check.
Okay, close the doors. 1, 2, 3. Click, click. The doors closed easily, no forcing, no shoving.
Okay, open them again. Pop. Yes, still beautiful.
We did good then. We earned that coffee now.
Coffee? I was thinking pizza. We worked hard. Let's go to the kitchen. But first, let me grab a fresh, clean hoodie from the keep pile, just because I can find it easily.